It's time for another postcard. Yes, another postcard, as I do the Jelly Postcard Play Challenge by Carrie the Crafter. There's 31 postcards, one a day, but you don't have to do one every day. You can join in at any time and do as many as you want. Just use the hashtag Jelly, G-E-L-Y, postcard play. What will we make today? Welcome to the messy junk room where we create whatever. The lucky postcard today, I think, is going to be this one. And I want to use up some of these jelly plate prints to make a whimsical house. Now, Natasha has a whole video on how she makes them over on Treasure Books. I will link that below. All the details for the postcard challenge is at Carrie the Crafter's. And I just thought, I want to make a house. A whimsical house. To make a whimsical house, you need a roof, a door, and a body. And they can be all different kinds of bodies. Well, let's see what happens. We'll cut it down shorter in a minute. I've only done this on a bigger scale, definitely. Definitely needs to come down a little bit, I think. I like the orange there. A bit like that. That can go there. And now a roof. Okay, maybe out of this piece. A little bit smaller, perhaps. Do we like that? This is on music paper. Let's try that again. That, if I can get that, that could be the doorknob. Oh, I kind of like it going that way, around that. And where's this one? Oh, that looks better. Okay, we're on to something now. We have the roof. We have the body. It's kind of looking like a mushroom. We need some windows. The windows can be any size. I'm covering up that circle by putting a window there. I really want that circle there. So we could put a window there and a door. Well, I did have this. Maybe. door like that, maybe? Nope, nope. I'm wondering maybe I could tear. Let's see what happens when I tear some of this. Make a door with this piece. Yep, I like that. Maybe put a window up there. Oops, maybe put that there. I think I want this a little narrower and shorter. Maybe like that. Make sure there's no bad words on the book page that I painted with the jelly plate. This is actually a wipe off from the jelly plate. I'd like to have a chimney, maybe a piece from this. I love this so much. This is number 14. I can put it on the up there, the number. We're making a chimney, I think, here for a second. There's the chimney. Can come out a little bit like that, I think. I feel I want this a little bit rounder at the bottom. I think I'm pretty good with that. Maybe make it a little bit. Yep, just make it a little bit smaller. We'll get this down. You can use all kinds of papers on the jelly plate. Book pages, music, tissue, sewing patterns, magazines. Love that. And now this. Nope. Yep, I think I need it a little bit smaller, just in this area. Just glue the bottom here. So I can glue this behind. Glue that. I'm liking how it's shaping up. Where'd my door go? My door. And my window. This is the door for sure. Let's get it down. Oops. I wonder if we take this to make the window, put this maybe over there. Can I get this into a window shape? You shall not overthink it too much. Window there. A window up there. A window there. Tasha did lots of sewing on hers, but I'm not going to do that. Let's put this here so we can see what we're doing. Now to add some detail, we do need a 14 somewhere. I used these before in the brown. Perhaps, what does that look like if I do that? And I do that. That doesn't really stand out. I don't like that. But do I want to use the 1 and the 4 and the brown? That does stand out better. Need a little something there. Or a doorknob. I just found these and put them away. So let's put one for the doorknob. And then I'm wondering if, because if you build it, they shall come. I wonder if there's a fairy that will show up. I thought, wouldn't it be fun to put a sign there? How cool is that? Just a little detail. And you could just keep going and going with this. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye-bye.